Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the fruit basket puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Akaki Kuumeri from Japan. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the basket and then put them back inside. This puzzle has 4 parts and a basket, and it is a part of Akaki's Picnic Basket puzzle series. There are 10 different puzzles here. Each puzzle has a unique solution, and all of them are amazing. If you try one and you probably will enjoy solving the puzzle since it is great, then you have to try the rest 9 puzzles from the series. The fruit basket has 4 parts, as I mentioned, and when you flip the basket, you will find that all parts are coming up. But then if you try to drop some of the parts, you will have one, but you can't even move it. If you try to hold another piece and drop others, they won't even go down since this piece is holding everything. And you still have to figure out the way how to remove all parts from the frame and then put everything in the back inside, since it is also a part of the solution. And the second part can be even more challenging than removing all parts from the basket. If you like the fruit basket puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I'll show you how to solve it. As I mentioned, when you flip the box, all pieces are moving up, but then you have to hold these 2 parts and drop the small piece. And then you can move these 2 parts to the side, and then you grab this piece and remove it from the basket. Then you may think that you can remove this piece, but no, that's not how it works. Here you have to move this piece up and remove it. Then you can move this piece here, rotate it and remove. And then we have only 1 piece left, which you have to move up, rotate and remove. That is the part of all Akaki's Picnic Basket puzzles. You have to rotate the parts to fit them inside. All 10 puzzles have a rotation involved in solving them. And when you want to put everything back inside, you start with this piece, rotate it, put it in, then you grab this part, put it in like so, then you rotate it. Wait a sec. Oh no, this piece you can remove without rotation. That is not necessary. So you put it here, then this piece, you put it inside like so. And then the last part, you keep this on top, move it down, inside, and everything is back inside the basket. That was the solution of the fruit basket puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try other puzzles from Akaki's Picnic Basket puzzle series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.